one-way switch, two-way switch, 16 amp switch and socket, 32 amps DP switch, bell switch, bed switch, board fuse or KitKat fuse, 2-pin socket, 3-pin socket, single pole mini MCB, double pole mini MCB, 4-step fan regulator, 5-step fan regulator, neon indicator switch, modular type metal box, modular type switch plate, batten holder, angle holder, pen dot holder, ceiling rose, ceiling plate, wire coils, insulation tape, male and female plug, 3-pin plug top, concealed AC box, LED light, LED tube light, 3-phase distribution board, single phase distribution board, single pole MCB, double pole MCB, isolator, 4-pole isolator, change over switch, wooden switchboard, flexible pipe, extension board, screws, SS nails, wooden meter board, 63 amps DP main switch, 32 amps KitKat fuse, energy meter, 2-core service wire coil, cable tags, anchor hook, de-anchor hook, neon tester, screwdriver, combination plier or cutting plier, wire stripper or cutter, digital tester, tongue tester or clamp meter, 5-in-1 SS combined box, universal plug socket, switch dummy or cover, UK 3-pin top, 0 bulb or night lamp, flex box, electrical safety gloves,